Hello and welcome everyone. Today I'm going to discuss regarding Google Business Profile suspension case study where the account was not getting approved and how me and my team was able to get it approved. So let's get started on it without wasting much of your time. So this is a website, although this is an approved website, but I'm going to show you the first of all the suspension first, and then the remedies which me and my team did to get it approved. So see around over here, this was one of the reasons on the Google Business Profile. You can see no more ways to verify. All verification methods have been attempted. So you can see that the owner was not able to further verify the Google Business Profile. You may see around over here. Okay, this one is the later on the later stage, but you can see around over here. Google requires additional info to verify that you manage this business. Your edits will be visible after you have verified. See around over here, Western Motors, Edmonton's trusted user used car dealership. This is kind of a website description which was connected with the Google Business Profile. Another error over here. Now, this is their website over here, Premier Auto Sales. And when they were frustrated in getting their Google Business Profile approved, and they tried everything, and when they were failed, so they reached out to us. I'm going to show you the client review as well on it, so you can. So let's get started. So also the client is one of our old clients, so he had a trust on us. So the trust is very important, and the patience is very important with the client. So during the process, we did various things to get it approved. I'm going to show you first of all, for instance, the website visits, website fixes first, which my team suggested, including you can see around over here the business address conflict was over there. Some including where the lessons and AMVIC lessons both need to be shown over here. Some replacements would also be being suggested. Then real business identity to the website was also suggested in the about page and in the footer page. Homepage template errors. The homepage has some template errors on the source code. You can see around over here dealer name. Some unfinished placeholders were over there. The about us page was incomplete. We suggested a complete one as well. Every vehicle detail page as well, with the description, complete description of the vehicle. And your website needs to be fully functional. That is very important over here. That your website needs to be fully functional for the Google Business Profile to get it approved for this website. And if I go back to this audit over here, see around over here further things required price clarity, vehicle history. So you can see the custom audits were being created on the page. Privacy policy page was separate from the about us page. Payment calculator had a disclaimer added because the prices are just approximate, so you cannot guarantee that on the website. After this, along with this, the various things, I cannot show you. You can see around over here, this is a business file. This is, another over here, the license date issue, trade name registration and other documents was also being provided over here. And see around over here, this is a process where it was getting in the approval stage, and we're looking around over here. This is some documentation further. I cannot show you all of the documents with apologies. And see around, this is the visiting card. This is the kind of a showroom pictures over here, which was being attached over here. Another picture of the showroom, of the car showroom. You can see around over here. Another one. They had clearly their logo was displayed, the phone number was displayed, and it was matching to the website. See around over here, some small changes over here. Look around over here. This was some, the website also had some HT access error where not all of the version was visible, and this was a coding error, and the client coder did it mistakenly, and we had to get it solved as well. See around over here, this is some of the communication which was being done with the Google team around over here. Okay, these are another lessons. I'm skipping this. Some changes on the website was also being suggested. See around over here, postal code was working or not. Some small disclaimer was added on the website by the client. After our recommendation, the about us was optimized. And then once you do all the changes, you need to update on the Google search console. It's very necessary and important for your website that the changes need to be updated on the Google search console, so the Google fresh crawler can index all the changes on the website for the approval. And you may see around over here another email was being also done to the Google. Okay, this process took us a time. People asking me like, I wanted to get it approved today. No, it takes time for your website, for your business profile to get approved. It's not a one-day procedure. It takes time. However, I'm going to show you the approval and then live profile as well. So this is the email. You can see it on over here. Our email address of our company, sales@AARSWEB.com. Your request to the Google. Congratulations, you have successfully completed the verification for your business profile Premier Auto Sales. To keep your business information accurate and up to date on Google, you can add it. You can see around where this was a time, when we were getting happy, and this was a time when, for the website and the business profile, we got an image. Like, let me show you that one, not this one. Yeah, this one. You can see around here, this was the time when it starts, when in the processing state for the website and for the business profile. And after this, it took them around 24 to 48 hours for the website and business profile to get approved. And you can see this is now verified. Now the story doesn't end over here. I'm going to show you the live account over here. You can see around over here, this is a website business profile. You can see around 97 reviews, Google business profile. It's now live. You can see around over here. And if you go into the edit, you can see around over here, edit, location, everything is being mentioned. The social media's profiles are correctly labeled, everything is labeled. The location, everything is also optimized as well on your website. And interestingly, the client has left a very good, amazing review because he's an old client. So you can see around over here. So glad to have found AARSWEB Solutions. I have used AARSWEB Solutions for a few different businesses now, and they have been great every time. They really know their stuff, especially when it comes to Google business profile and online marketing. I spent way too much time trying to get my Google business verified on my own and kept running onto roadblocks. I reached out to their team and they had everything sorted and my business verified in less than a week. So their business and website was verified in less than a week. They kept me updated through the process, answered all my questions, and made something that was really frustrating feel easy. It's obvious they have done this many times before. If you are having issues with the Google business profile or need help growing your online business presence, I definitely recommend giving them a call. Great service, knowledgeable team, and they actually deliver on what they promise. So yeah, this is a successful Google business profile verification case study. However, if your Google business profile is suspended, needs help with the verification, if your Google Merchant Center profile is suspended or needs management, even for Google business profile management, or if your Google Ads account is disapproved, suspended, or needs management, or if your website needs a management, we provide complete all of the solutions. Our company name is AARSWEBS.com, and you can find the link in the description of this video for our website. So if your Google business profile is suspended or needs approval, or if you need any digital marketing services, you can hire me and my team through the link in the description, and we will love to help with you. Thank you for watching, and we look forward to working with you. Take care. Bye bye.